From understanding the formation of rocks and minerals to the determination of protein structure, electron microscopy is a critical technique across many different areas of research. Here at Cardiff University, we have an excellent electron microscopy facility in a number of our schools and institutes. Across the schools of chemistry and earth sciences, we have a number of electron microscopes that are capable of providing images of materials down to the atomic scale. These include both scanning and transmission electron microscopes. Our microscopes cover a wide range of techniques, allowing quantification and mapping of the distribution of different elements in materials, mapping different crystal phases, and measurement of different oxidation states. We have a well-established track record of supporting external partners to access our facilities. We are currently working with a number of companies on failure analysis and nanoscale measurements. External partners need only fill in a short form to request access. Once booked, you are welcome to either attend an experiment in person or to send your samples to be characterised by our team of expert staff. Our approach to working with external partners is always collaborative, and we are happy to offer expert guidance on data acquisition and analysis, whether for a single session or for a large collaborative project.